My name is Rodney Dashnaw. I live in Loon Lake, New York, in the Adirondacks. I've lived here my whole life. My dogs are Chief and Chomper, and I love to hunt rabbits with them.
Here, Chief. Here, Chomper. Come on, guys.
We do this every weekend, all winter. One's a little bigger than the other. One full-blooded beagle, the other's beagle walker. They love to rabbit hunt. That's chase rabbits, I should say. That's what they do for a living. Rabbit hunting is my biggest passion, and the strangest thing is I never rabbit hunted until I was about like 18, 19 years old, and I had a rabbit dog that just showed up to my house. He got shot in the neck. I tried to give him away after I healed him up because I didn't hunt at the time, you know. And nobody ever claimed him, so I kept him, and I had him for like 12 years after that, and he was probably my best rabbit dog. This track system here I've had for about 10 years now. I had it on a Polaris bike before this one. It's been very durable. It would be really hard to do rabbit hunting without it, because you would have to be able to drive almost everywhere. With this here machine, I can go most anywhere. If there's a path, I can go on it. To transfer the track system from the one vehicle to the other, you got to purchase it's universal hub set, they call it. Then I can put it from the one vehicle to the other, and it was really nice that it didn't have to purchase the whole track. I did it myself. It wasn't like it was, you don't need no special mechanic or anything to do it, you know. Now we have the GPS collars and tracking collars, and the new one I have has got the training system in it, which shocks the dog, or you can tone them or vibrate it, and it'll show you every place the dog goes, where they are, whether they're 2 yards from you or a mile from you. The old way was you put your coat out and waited for your dog to come back either that night or a week later, because you didn't know where they went, or you know, they could chase a coyote for 10 miles away. Mostly the rabbit will run in a circle, and that's the dogs just chase them, and wherever the rabbit goes, that's where the dog keeps going. And they can actually tell the scent from one rabbit to the other, mostly, and they'll stick with the same rabbit all the day long. It's nice to go out and just listen to the dogs. It's a lot of fun. And then if they lose a rabbit, and then when they get on it again, it's like somebody give them a kick or something, because their voice changes when they first start on it, and it's fun to listen to them, especially when you start like a puppy or something. You know, they get that little yip yip sound, and they're really it's funny to listen to them. I love it.